Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today I have the privilege of showing you a Boston Whaler 2025 350 Realm. This one in particular has something very special for you that you're going to see at the end of this video, but we're going to go ahead and start off here at the very spacious bow. What you'll notice right away is Boston Whaler's new interior. They did such a great job with this. Very exclusive, the Boston Whaler. 3 comfortable loungers here. This table is on an actuator and will go up and down, acting as a filler cushion for a sun pad or a table for you and the family to hang out and have lunch out on the water. We'll go ahead and move back here towards the helm. Look how much space we have here. We're not turning sideways. We're not doing any of that on this boat. Very well thought out by Boston Whaler. Of course, we have our cabin on a 35 Realm. There is AC down there. Great place for you and the kids to get out of the sun on a hot day like today in Florida. Back to what Whaler's known for. Well integrated, well thought out, beautiful helm with our twin Simrads, our joystick. Everything is right at the arm's reach of the captain. He's not reaching all over the place. Very simple, well designed by Whaler. AC for the captain as well, so he can be nice and comfortable. His own cup holders. We do have the vent in the windshield just for that airflow on those extra hot days. 2 fold-down bolster seats. And again, we got to take a look at Boston Whaler's upholstery. They did such a good job. Summer kitchen is also on this boat. We do have the grill, we do have the fridge, we do have the sink, tons of storage. More AC for the co-captains and the riders back here so they can sit comfortable. Plenty of leg room, just well equipped, well designed. Can't say enough about it. Premium sound system on this boat, ice blue interior. If you want to go out and fish, if you want to cruise, if you want to take a trip to the Bahamas, this is Boston Whaler's do-it-all boat, as you can see already. Thought, again, spacious as can be. If you want to fish, we comfortably can fish 4 while everybody else is underneath the shade, getting some AC. Sunshade comes out. I mean, it's endless. Can't forget about Boston Whaler's dive door on the port side. We do have the ladder here that goes down and makes it a lot easier for your kids to get on board, keep them away from the motors. Fish boxes on both port and starboard. Great bilge access. And then once we get to the back, this is something very special for you guys. One of the first appearances is the Mercury V10 425s trips. These are very quiet, very powerful, great option for this boat. Mercury did an outstanding job. We would love for you guys to come check this out. Again, Boston Whaler, new interior, new engines, the best of everything, well equipped. Please come out and see us. Again, Justin Johnson, MarineMax St. Petersburg. We will see you on the water.